My money is gone! My money is missing! I saved that money for my mom's birthday. It is all gone. I lost everything. We still do not believe you. Bill is a thief! Bill is a thief! Do not eat that. You do not deserve to eat. I did not steal anything. I will keep my money here. My money is safe.
Everyone, let us go outside for physical education.
My stomach hurts.
Bill, are you okay?
My stomach hurts so much.
All right. You can rest in the classroom today.
My stomach hurts so much. I cannot take it anymore. Where is my book? My money is gone. My money is missing. I saved that money for my mom's birthday. It is all gone. I lost everything. Someone stole the money. When did you see your money last? I saw it before we went outside. Someone took it during physical education. The thief did not go outside. It was not me. I had a bad stomachache. I stayed here and went to the bathroom. You had a stomachache before physical education. But now your stomach does not hurt. I took some medicine. We do not believe you. You are a thief. I am not a thief. Look, I do not have the money. The money is not in my bag. We still do not believe you. Bill is a thief! Bill is a thief! Why does nobody believe me?
Bill, are you okay?
I am okay, Dad. Are you sure? I am fine. Do not worry. I am not a thief.
Hey, thief! Where do you go?
Ha ha! You are a thief! You are a thief! Do not eat that! You do not deserve to eat! You must pay Leo $50. I do not have $50.
We do not care. Pay Leo before Friday.
Leo needs it for his mom's birthday gift. I do not have the money. I did not steal it. He stole it, so admit it. I did not steal anything. We should not blame Bill like this. We do not have real proof. Who else could take the money? Find the real thief, and I will believe you. I do not know. Then it was Bill. That is it. I should do that.
Hello, class. Take out your math books. Quiet, everyone. Why is the class so noisy?
We are talking about Bill. He stole Leo's money. Where is Bill? He was ashamed, so he ran away.
I will call Bill's parents. Your friends say Bill stole money and left the class.
We will find him.
You need to find him quickly. We are going now.
Bill!
Do you have proof that Bill stole the money?
Then why did you say Bill stole it? Bill was the only one who stayed here. Only Bill could take it. You mean this book? Huh? That is Leo's book. I took the book. Huh? Huh? Why did you take Leo's book? He saved the money for his mom's birthday gift. I told you to put your math books on the desk.
I came back to collect them during physical education.
That is right. That is right. How did you not see Bill?
I did not see Bill in the classroom. Bill was in the bathroom then.
I saw him after he went to the bathroom.
I gave him some medicine for his stomachache.
That is why Bill felt better when we came back. We blamed Bill for nothing. This is your fault, Mimi. You said Bill was the thief. I am sorry.
It is not only Mimi's fault. You all blamed Bill without proof.
We want to find Bill. We need to say sorry to Bill.
Bill's parents are looking for him. Let the adults handle this.
Bill! Where are you?
Bill! Are you here? You made us so worried.
I did not steal the money. It was not me.
It is okay. We believe you.
You are a good boy. You would not do that.
Why did you break your piggy bank?
Leo needs money for his mom's birthday gift. I want to help him.
Oh, you are such a kind boy.
You have a kind heart. Leo, I only have $20. I did not steal your money. I want to help you buy a birthday gift for your mom. Bill, thank you. I know you did not take my money. We are sorry, Bill. We are sorry for blaming you. What happened? The teacher explained everything yesterday. Wait, what? You found the money? Yes. Bill, I am really sorry. It started with me. I said you stole the money. I will not forgive you that easily. I understand. If you buy me an ice cream, I may forgive you. Okay? We will do it! We will do it! One friend will buy you ice cream each day. No, one ice cream is enough. What did you think about today's story? Tell me in the comments. Do you want more stories like this? Subscribe to Play English TV. Bye-bye!